Scenes in the Square is a film-themed sculpture trail in Leicester Square, London. 8 sculptures were installed in February 2020. These sculptures depict characters from the last 100 years of cinema including Laurel and Hardy, Mary Poppins, Batman, Bugs Bunny, Don Lockwood portrayed by Gene Kelly, Paddington Bear, Mr. Bean, and Wonder Woman. A sculpture of Harry Potter was installed later on in 2020, and then in 2021, a sculpture of the Iron Throne from Game of Thrones was added. The first 8 statues were installed in February 2020 and emphasize Leicester Square's long association with cinema. The site has been home to cinemas since 1930 and hosted its first film premiere in 1937. The original statues installed were those of Laurel and Hardy, Mary Poppins, Batman, Bugs Bunny, Don Lockwood portrayed by Gene Kelly, Paddington Bear, Mr. Bean and Wonder Woman representing the past 100 years of film. The exhibition is organised by the Heart of London Business Alliance in partnership with Westminster City Council and is supported by major movie studios. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.